Hey
making
everybody.
making his cameo on the vlog.
Yeah, first and last.
What?
No. I mean, if they ask me back,
True.
but you know, repping City of Hope, Art Center, all the Filipinos in the world. Ooh, right?
Yep.
I know. It's so crazy to me that like pre-diagnosis, I ran this block every day because this is where I ran and trained for LA Marathon, all that. And then I couldn't run anymore. Now I'm back. Full circle.
Alright, so I'm gonna take a long nap. Been awake since 3:30, 4 o'clock this morning, so I need some sleep. Just woke up from my nap. Since I didn't really get to do my run today, I'm gonna do a little 1-miler run, the coffee table. So this is the first coffee table run of this training session and the first run of the year. Yay! Maybe I should have put an extra layer on. It's colder than usual. It rained last night. Just got a little care package from a friend who came back from the Philippines, and one of the items was this. The Himalaya salt candies, and these are actually great. I tried this when we went on a hike recently, also in the 5K, the Santa 5K last month, and it actually tastes pretty good. It's like almost like electrolyte salt tabs, if that's the best way to describe it. So I'm gonna put one of the packs in my hydration pack for tomorrow's long run, so it's perfect timing. I said about dog poop. This close. Alright, it's Saturday long run day. We did 11 miles today, which is pretty awesome. First long run of 2024. Can't believe we already a week into the new year, but alright. And I did have a little bit of a knee twitch around mile 8, so I'm gonna do some stretching right now and wear a knee brace on my left knee where it was happening, just to help it recover and kind of relax a little more. And I may just take a little baby nap in the afternoon just to let my body cool down and just relax. Really, all you gotta do is relax on long run days. There's really not much else you can do. Is week 8. What a great start to 2024. Being able to participate and help out with the City of Hope float this year was an amazing opportunity, and to be able to be among a few of the survivors and their doctors that day who were riding and walking along with the float was truly an amazing moment, and I will cherish that memory. And if you look closely, you also saw my good friend Ian McLeod there as one of the float riders this year. Fun fact, this is actually the 50th year that City of Hope has participated in the Rose Parade. As for the rest of our running days, on the first I did do one coffee table run for 1 mile. I had to get the year started right, so there you go. But I did carry on the run on Tuesday, Wednesday, and of course Thursday for the weekday runs. And our long run this week took us all the way up to 11 miles. Now we're getting up there in mileage, so it's gonna get tough. Overall, feeling pretty good so far. The strength training is helping. I've noticed that I'm not as tired in terms of running for long periods of time that I used to, but there still are moments where I do take walk breaks, but it does quite help. And now for our charity fundraiser update for City of Hope. We've had an amazing start for 2024. Last week our total was at 700. Now this week we're at 900. Again, an amazing start to 2024. Thank you so much to our current donors. You guys are much appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now, if you do want to donate, go to this web address down here. I'll put it in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You'll find everything you need there as to why I'm running a marathon, why I chose City of Hope, and of course, if you want to donate, just click on that donate button and you're good to go. And that concludes week 8. Thank you so much for coming back and checking out my progress. I truly do appreciate it. Come back next week as I have a whole other update and more adventures to come. And if you're new to the channel and enjoy the adventures that we have here, or feel inspired for your own running journey, why not subscribe and like the video as we have more to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.